Hello, my beautiful besties. It's your girl Nelly. If you're part of my nail crew, welcome back. And if you're not, consider subscribing right now and become part of my amazing nail crew. First thing I want to say is happy birthday, Sondra Sparkly Sets. Go bestie, go bestie, go bestie, go bestie, go bestie. This is a collaboration video. And I created a very special color for this set, and I cannot wait to show you. So I swatched it, and this is what it looks like. And as you saw, it glows. So here is the glow. It's absolutely beautiful. I chose to do a Smurfs set. And I'm saying that right now because I made a lot of mistakes in the process of recording because I was doing this video during the night. I didn't record a lot of things. So I'm going to mix this color with acrylic, which I didn't show you. I thought I was recording that part to create some flowers because I want everything to be blue and go with the theme. So, and a very, very special thank you to Just Nikki. I would not be able to do this set I without her. I requested that if she could possibly make me some decals of the Smurfs, and she came through. So I'll make sure to leave her link in the description box. Her decals are the bomb. They're very amazing. This is not the first request, and she has been incredibly kind into, whatever I asked her. She delivered, and she delivered a beautiful work. So thank you so much, Nikki, for that. So um, I noticed with this application that because it has chunky glitters in it, it's best to use smaller beads. So I'm just gonna put that out there right out right up front. So let me start by giving my shout out. So shout out to everyone who takes the time to watch my videos. Shout out to everyone who likes, comments, and share my videos. It helps me out a lot here on YouTube. Shout out to everyone who's new to my channel. Welcome to my nail crew bestie. Thank you so much for joining the crew. Shout out to my moderators and shout out to my patrons. Thank you so much for your love and support, and thank you so much for your donation to my channel. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, is because I'm offering membership for $4.99. Just click the join button to become one of my members, and we'll have tons of fun. So, going back to the set, it is a very simple set. And unfortunately, a lot of the things that I did, like applying the decals, doing the flowers, I did a what it's called a junk nail. I thought I was recording all of that. I recorded this video at night. I woke up at like 1 o'clock in the morning, and I couldn't go back to sleep. So I decided to record the video, and I was so focused on showing you guys the glow that I completely messed up half of the video. So I do apologize for that. I'm just letting you know ahead of time. This is going to be a short one because of that reason. So here I am just, applying and making sure it, the acrylic is sidewall to sidewall, and then I brush it downwards. So if you have any problems with application when it comes to chunky glitters, my advice to you is use or grab smaller beads. It's the best way to go. I am kind of new to working with glitter acrylics because I'm making them myself. Um, I've created a collection not too long ago. I had a few people that were kind enough to buy from me, Sandra being one of them. So I hope everyone that was able to purchase, they do enjoy their acrylics. Um, and there's more to come, people. I am planning on doing some things. So pray for me, and the same way I pray for your business, pray that I am able to do a little project, to benefit me and my family and also my channel. So with that being said, again, happy birthday, Sondra. Sondra is a very amazing person. I love this woman. She's incredibly amazing. She has a heart of gold. Every time I see this woman, she's always collaborating, she's always helping people out. She's always there. And when people are like that, it's good to say it, recognize it, and thank you so much. So everybody say thank you to Sondra, because Sondra has been, a lot of us content creators, we know each other, or somehow we have crossed paths with each other, and she's always there. And that's an amazing and beautiful thing. So thank you so much for your love, for your support. Thank you so much for being such a beautiful person, kind-hearted person. You are very much loved in the community, and just know that we love you. We care a lot about you, and we are very grateful that our journeys cross path with yours. So I am very honored. Um, and I say this with all the love in my heart. I love you, girl. I hope you have the best birthday, because you deserve nothing but the best. And I hope that this collaboration, because it is a lot of people, I will include some pictures of the times and the channels that will be doing the collabs. And so I hope that everyone um, has fun and is able to create some beautiful sets. And, of course, wish her a happy birthday. So I did show you the application on 3 nails. Um, so I'm kind of grateful I did that, because I messed up half of the rest of the video. I literally had to delete half of it, because when I thought I was recording, I had paused the video, and when I thought I paused the video, I was recording. So I was completely out of frame, and there was no point of me adding all of that footage, because you wouldn't be able to see anything. So it is a short video, but I do hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys like the acrylic that I made. This was specially for her birthday and also for this set. Um, so let me know in the comments what you guys think of the acrylic, the application. Let me know what you guys think of this set overall. The good thing about it, though, is that even though I don't show you half of the process, you won't be able to see what the set looks like until the finished look. So I do hope you guys sit here and enjoy the rest of the video and watch it till the end. Um, and that way you guys can let me know what you guys think of this set. Again, I would not have been able to create this set without the help of just Nikki. So Nikki, thank you so, so, so much. You've been incredibly amazing. Every time I ask this girl for something, she delivers and she goes above and beyond. So thank you so much. I am beyond grateful for you doing this for me. Um, I was kind of thinking of like, what can I do? Because it's an 80s, she's an 80s baby, just like most of us are. And I wasn't sure exactly what to do for the set. And I do remember Kiera Creations doing a Smurf set, and then I remember that one birthday that I had, I think I was like 4 years old, and oh my God, I can't believe I'm remembering this. But the theme was Smurfs. So, I can't paint, like I can't do nail art to save my life. So that's why I had to kind of like say, "Hey Nikki, can I request something from you?" And I am so grateful. Thank you so, so much for doing this for me, because without you, I have not been able to do the set, honestly. So I do hope you guys like, again, the acrylic, the color, the glow, because I was very focused on showing you how much it glow. I purchased, and I have to be honest with you, it was quite expensive, the glow that I purchased for this acrylic. but it's worth it because it's beautiful. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna go and encapsulate as always with Melody Susie's Clear. I do have a discount code with Melody Susie, and I couldn't stop staring at the nails. The glitters that I chose that I added to this set, were very beautiful. The only thing I would change would be the butterflies. I would leave them like in a separate container, and then I would add them, not necessarily adding them to the chunky glitter, because chunky glitter, depending on how much glitter it has or how much pigment it has, it's how hard it's going to be to pick up. So, it was, I had a hard time a little bit at first, while you get used to it, because this is a completely different acrylic that I used to mix. I am testing different acrylics because, yes, I am planning, I have a project in mind. So I don't want to say too much about it, but I hope that, the same way I have, you know, um, helped and kind of invest in some of small businesses. Once I come up with something, that I am blessed the same way. It's not an obligation. You guys don't really have to. But if you really like it, please do let me know so that I know what to do and what not to do in the future. I did a collection, a Valentine's Day collection on a live, and I had the most fun. So definitely go check that out if you want to learn how to create your own acrylics. I do not show you the filing process, but I again show you the glow. It's the glow for me. It's the glow for me. I was, and I think it was let me see, because I have it right here. This is a 10 gram. And it comes in a little bag of, it says glow in the dark UV pigment, white. And it's absolutely beautiful. This little bag is $10. So yeah, I didn't care because the glow was beautiful. And as long as something is beautiful, I don't mind paying for it. That's, why I invest in some of small businesses. If they have something beautiful to offer, I don't even ask, to, any discount codes or reduced price. I just go with it because I know how much work they put into it. So this is what the nails look like after the encapsulation. And this is what the nails look like after shaping and filing. So bestie, get ready for that glow. The glow is absolutely amazing. Let me know what you guys think of this glow. Again, this is a very short video. So once again, Sondra, happy birthday, sweetheart. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you love what I did. I am so sorry that I messed up half of my video, but get ready to see this finished look. And 1, 2, 3, here it is. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love this set. It turned out super beautiful. I hope you guys like it too. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think of this set. Let me know which one was your favorite nail. Thank you so much for watching. If you watched this far, don't forget to hit that like button. Leave me a comment at the end of the video. Share it if you find it helpful. Subscribe if you like the content. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And once again, Sondra, happy birthday, girl. We love you. Thank you so much for the opportunity of including me in this collaboration. I am beyond grateful. So I hope you have the best day possible. I love you all, and I see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.